Okay, I have a Master Lock 141 DLF, I do believe is what it is. I'm gonna attempt to go top of the keyway tension and see what I can do here. I'm gonna use a deep pick because this one's the fourth pin. I've only gotten this one open a couple of times. When I did, that fourth pin has to be set pretty deeply, and all the rest of them are fairly shallow. One's free, two, springy, three is binding. Okay, three. Okay, I didn't get a good satisfying click out of three, but let's go on to four here. Come on, four. Okay. Not a satisfying click out of four either. One, two. All right, I think two may be actually overset. All right, let's try it again here. Okay, top of keyway. Let's really crank it this time. Okay, one is springy. Two. A little click out of two. Something just dropped. Nothing going on three. Four. Okay, a little click on four, I think. Or it might have been three. Okay, a little something there. Three. Let's go back to two is springy. One is springy. Two is springy. Three. Overset almost certainly. Four overset. Daggone it. This guy's a pain. Okay. Let's come at it again. Okay. Going a little bit lighter tension this time. Okay. One. Springy. Two is binding, actually. I think. Okay. Let's go into three. Got a click. Four. Okay. Got a steady click on four. Back to two. Back to one. One is springy. Two. Okay. Two got a click. One's set, I do believe. Two feels a little stiff. Three. Four. Can't think maybe. Oh, there she goes, y'all. This lock is a pain in the butt. I don't know what makes it so hard, but for just a 4-pin lock, this one gives me fits. This is the key for it. So you can see that first, or the fourth pin is pushed all the way up, followed by the third pin pretty low, and then these two I think are pretty much even, but still pretty low. So yeah, that lock was a pain in the butt.